This demonstration is to refresh your memory on how to write a sequential task.
Remembering from the GUI, when we select the area drop-down, we are only able to select one area to send a preset or channel level message to. If you want to send a message to multiple areas from one button push, then we are going to have to write a simple task. Okay, so let's get started. You can see along the top over here we have a Tasks and Events tab. I'm going to click on that and click Edit. That will open up the event file, or you may hear some people call it an EVT. The task editor will open. We can see here we have an empty template. Each of our 9 series panels will have this functionality. You can also save tasks on the load controllers, sensors, time clocks, etc. For each panel you can write 8 tasks and 1 startup task. The startup task will run when you reboot or lose power to the network, so it is not dependent on a button push. Okay, when writing a task, don't touch anything that's written in red. The code you write must live in between the brackets. I'm going to write a simple task to turn the lights on from the bedroom to the kitchen. We'll call it Midnight Snack. So the first command will be a preset message. I literally write the word preset, then open up brackets, then as a minimum I need to specify the area and the preset. So in this case I want the master bedroom to go to preset 1, so I'll say, okay, to find out what area the master bedroom is, I can toggle my screens around a little so that I can see a list of my area numbers. All I do is flick to logical view and collapse all of my areas, and I can see the area numbers nicely. Okay, so turn the master bedroom on. Area 3, I say A equals 3, then P equals 1, then close brackets. Then I want a delay of 1 second, so I write delay on the next line, and in brackets I put 1 for 1 second. If I want 2 seconds, I write 2, and so on. If I want another preset, then you can specify whatever you want after the P equals. So if I want preset 2, I write P equals 2. I can give my task a name and type the name in between the inverted commas. So I'll call this Midnight Snack. And the next thing you should do is to comment your code. Tab after each line and put 2 forward slashes and then write what the action is. This will really help you when you go back onto site later and you need to work out what the code is supposed to be doing. So I'll comment all of my code now. Now what if I only want the wall lights to come on and not the bench in the kitchen? I can change that last line of code to be a channel level message. I write channel level, and then I need to specify the area, the channel, and the level in the brackets. The channel I can find out by opening up the area in the logical view and seeing the channel number. And the level is in percent. So if I want 100%, then I type 100. Okay, now what if I misspell something? Let's take a look. I will make a slight change here, and we can see straight away that the color of the code is black now. So visually I can see straight away that it's not right, and the more that you will look at this stuff, the more that you will see when something doesn't look right. You can also click on Test Compile, and we can see we have found an error. If I click on that, it will take me straight to the error and I can fix it up. Once it's correct, I can save to device, and we can see that there is a green tick next to the panel now. That's to tell me that I have code on that device. I can also see that task 1 is called Midnight Snack over here. The next step is to swap over to the Buttons tab and select Task from the drop-down function and select the task we just wrote, which was task 1. Save to device and then we can test it. Woohoo! The pathway from the bedroom to the kitchen has turned on with only the walls in the kitchen. And so that, everybody, is a simple sequential task in action.